Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see about how to implement exception filter. Let's see the agenda first. In this video, we are going to see what is exception filters, what is default error page, and how to create custom error page. Okay. First, we need to understand the background of exception filter. See, I'm opening the Visual Studio instance which we used in our last session. I'm going to change the currency string. This is the database NET6, but I'm going to provide some ABCD. That is a wrong connection string. In this time, I'm running and definitely we will get the error. I'm clicking employee manual. I think I need to build the solution. Running the application. Click on employee manual. I'm getting this error. I'm getting this error, right? Cannot open database net ABCD because our original database name is net6, but we provided wrong database name. So we are getting this error message. As a developer, you can tell it as a error page, but as per customer, they might tell this as dead screen. They might tell application become dead. So we should not show this screen to production environment. In development environment, this screen is okay, but in production environment, we should not display this screen because customer tell this is dead screen. Our application become dead. So we should not display this screen. So we can put try catch. Then we can redirect to custom error screen inside catch block. It is perfect. So the screen will not come and we are redirecting to our custom error page. This is perfect. But if we have 1,000 action methods, then we need to write a try catch and error screen redirection inside all 1,000 action methods. This is time consuming process. Now exception filter comes to picture. We already know that we can configure our filter in global level so that it is applicable for all the 100 or 1,000 action method. Let's see in action. Let's close this. Yeah, we already created two filters. In the same folder, I'm going to create one more filter. Add class error handler. I can provide this name as error handler. Okay. In the same way, we can go two attributes. One is attribute, another one is I exception filter. Yes. Now we need to implement this interface. We can't implement interface getting this one. So whenever an exception occurs, we need to capture it and we need to redirect to our custom error page. So I can provide context dot result equal to new result. View name is error. We can provide this custom error. So definitely we need to create this view inside our SAR folder. Copy this view name, go to views and SAR folder, right click, add view, name it as custom error.css. Okay. Here we can provide some useful information to the user. That is some error occurs. Please contact administrator or help desk Alt test and ABC document. Something you can provide like this. So alt is the razor symbol here. So okay. Now I'm going to provide this that error controller attribute inside a controller or action method. Instead, we already know that we can configure it in globally. How to configure it in globally? We have program.cs. So the config we just have product name error pen. Okay. Let's run the application. Click on employee management. Error occurs, but we are not seeing the other page name. We are seeing customer error screen. Some error occurs, please contact administrator after this. So success. We successfully created an exception filter and configured it globally. Thanks for